Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share one of my recent projects that I just sold on MotionInvest for $2,500. Let's get a quick overview of this project. So you can see this website is getting almost 10,000 visitors per month, and I have been working on this project for last 7 months. So let's see for 12 months. So in this last 7 months, this website almost 30,000 visitors. Let's check the search console. Okay, for past 3 months, this website got almost 18,000 clicks. Let's check on 12 months. Maybe I started this project in March. Let's see the starting date. Yeah, I started this project in 17th of March. And this website is getting 300 clicks per day on average right now. Okay, let's go to Ezoic dashboard. This website was monetized with Ezoic, and you can see this website is making $7 to $8 on average per day, and you can see the visitors also. This website has a very good growing Pinterest profile, and let's see the statistics from Pinterest. Go to view analytics, and we can see for past 30 days it has got almost 3,000 visitors from Pinterest only. And if we just check for last 3 months, this website has got almost 6,000 visitors from Pinterest. So this was a very good and quick project, and I was doing some experiments to see if I can get some visitors from Pinterest, and this method really worked for me. Another thing, this website has only 125 blogs published already, and it has almost 400 pins on Pinterest. So this was a very quick and simple project from just sold on MotionInvest for $2,500. That's it. Thank you.